As we all know, a human body consists of billions of different cells. Every single cell contains the same DNA as the other cell, and yet not all the cells are similar. We have blood cells, muscle cells, bone cells, and many other types of cells, with different structures to fit different functions. So, how could the same DNA produce all these various cells? The answer to this question is cell differentiation. To talk about cell differentiation, we need to go back in time when we were fertilized egg, which is called a zygote. With that zygote divides to make more cells and more other cells, but all these cells are identical cells with no job to do and no different functions. Dividing will not give each cell its function, but something else will. As we said that the zygote dividing, the cells produced are called embryonic stem cells, and they have the ability to become any kind of cell they want. Those cells contain all of our DNA, so the genes are being regulated, which means the genes could be turned on and off. That's how the stem cells are going to specialize. The key to the process of differentiation is transcription factors. These hormones and chemicals direct the activities of the DNA, determining what gets transcribed and what gets ignored. Those factors are in each cell from birth to death, determined by the body and other cells in the vicinity. Stem cells are not only found in developed embryos, they are also found in adults, in muscles, skin, and bone marrow. They are often called somatic stem cells. They can be different types of cells, but this topic is important for so many reasons. One of them, the ability of those cells to differentiate into other cells, and therefore they could be used in regenerating organs or tissues that are damaged from a disease or an accident. This could be the alternative for waiting a donor to donate the patient an organ, as we can get him his own organ once more, which lowers the organ. This complex process is still being studied, and scientists took big steps in this matter in their laboratories. In the future, this might be available